Have you ever wanted to learn programming but didn't know where to start? Or maybe you've heard that Python is one of the easiest programming languages for beginners. In this video, I'm going to show you how to get started with Python, how to improve your programming logic, how to stay consistent, and how much time you should spend learning every day. So if you're a complete beginner, this video is for you. What is Python? First of all, what exactly is Python? Python is a programming language that allows you to communicate with computers and make them perform tasks. It is one of the most popular programming languages in the world because its syntax is simple and easy to understand. Python is used in many fields such as web development, artificial intelligence, automation, cybersecurity, data science, and much more. In fact, many big companies use Python because it helps developers build things quickly and efficiently. The best part is that you don't need any previous coding experience to start learning it. How to get started. Now let's talk about how to start learning Python. The first thing you need to do is install Python on your computer. After that, install a code editor such as VS Code. Once everything is installed, create a new Python file and type your first line of code. When you run this code, Python prints the message on the screen. Congratulations! You have just written your first Python program. It may look simple, but every programmer starts somewhere. Don't worry about making complicated projects on your first day. Focus on understanding the basics. How to improve logic. One of the biggest questions beginners ask is, how do I improve my programming logic? The answer is simple. Logic doesn't come from watching hundreds of tutorials. Logic comes from solving problems. When you start learning Python, focus on understanding concepts such as variables, user input, conditions, and loops. As you solve more problems, your brain gradually learns how to think like a programmer. Don't try to memorize code. Instead, try to understand why the code works. That's what builds real programming logic. How to stay consistent. Another reason many people fail to learn programming is inconsistency. They study for 6 hours on one day and then don't touch coding again for 2 weeks. That's not effective. Consistency beats motivation. Even if you study for only 30 minutes every day, you'll make more progress than someone who studies once in a while. Try to make coding a daily habit. Open your editor, write some code, solve a small problem, or continue a project. Small progress every day leads to big results over time. How much time should you spend? So, how much time should you spend learning Python? If you're a student or busy with work, even 30 minutes a day is enough to make progress. If you can give 1 hour every day, that's even better. And if you can consistently spend 2 or more hours daily, you'll improve much faster. Remember, learning programming is not a race. Some people learn quickly, while others take more time. The important thing is not how fast you learn. The important thing is that you keep learning. Final advice. Before ending this video, here's one piece of advice. Don't get stuck in tutorial hell. Many beginners watch tutorial after tutorial, but never build anything themselves. After learning a concept, immediately practice it. Create small projects, make mistakes, and learn from those mistakes. That's how real programmers improve. So that's how you can start learning Python, improve your logic, stay consistent, and make steady progress as a programmer. If you found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more programming content. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.